In this video, we are going to explain how Excel spreadsheets can be used to aid in the effective management of an organization. Microsoft Excel is one product within the Office suite that is called a spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet software allows you to enter data, to summarize that data using a number of techniques that we will learn throughout this course, perform calculations with the data, and create visualizations. We are going to learn about all of these steps throughout our entire MOG1007 course. Excel can be used to perform these tasks and many others. It is very useful in business because businesses have a lot of data, and the whole goal behind Excel is to be able to store that data and use it to extract meaningful information. By summarizing, performing calculations, and making visualizations, we can get information from data that can be used to make decisions. And that's the whole idea behind this course. How can we use the data stored in this spreadsheet to help make management decisions? A spreadsheet is basically just a way to organize information, and some examples of how spreadsheets can be used in business are listed here. The data that you could enter into a spreadsheet could be expenses that you use to create and manage a budget. It could be sales data by month or even by location if you have multiple locations, and you could use that to try to predict trends in sales, when they'll be high and when they'll be low. If you're a restaurant, you could monitor your customer traffic, so when people are coming in and leaving, how long it takes for them to be served. This could help you to know when your busiest times are to make hiring and staffing decisions. Maybe you need to prepare a financial report where you look at charts, tables, or other information to summarize how an investment is doing. A very common use is also to manage employee data, like a person's name, their office number, their salary, their address, their hire date, employee ID. All of that information is normally stored in a spreadsheet where we can organize the information. And a final use is to create invoices to track purchases. Maybe you want to summarize total sales information and be able to present on that. These are just a very small amount of examples. Excel can be used in almost unlimited ways in order for us to be able to enter any kind of data that would be relevant to a business and then try to get information from that data. Not only can we use Excel in a business context, you can also use it in your personal life, or you might have used it in your professional life before taking this course. What I would like you to do is click this link to share a way that you have used in Excel. My personal example of how I use Excel outside of my teaching career is I usually use it to track expenses related to my house. So if I do renovations on my house, I'll track those in a spreadsheet. I also will track my monthly expenses, like what I pay for hydro, propane, mortgage payments, insurance, etc. This is a great way to summarize my information so I can keep track of it and use it to make decisions related to budgeting. That's just one way you can use Excel, and I'm looking forward to hearing your personal examples. And in this course, we'll learn even more about how Excel can be used specifically within business context.